How to get performance mode on PS5. First of all, from the home screen of your PlayStation 5 console, you'll want to press up on the D-pad or with your left stick to get to the games and media section. Then scroll along to the right, click X on the settings cog at the top right hand corner, then scroll down on the settings till you get to this section here where it says save data game/app settings. Then you want to scroll down on here and where it says game presets. Go into game presets, then where it says performance mode or resolution mode, that's where you can do it. You want to go ahead and make sure performance mode is on by making sure that's in that section there. And then as soon as you click on that, you will be able to turn off your PlayStation 5, turn it back on again, and then always you'll have performance mode on your PlayStation 5. So just go into that settings, change that, and then it's completed. Please do leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.